Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento. If you have one of those guys, you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as P0365, 366, 367, 368 or 369, any of these 5 codes. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, and we'll explain how you can easily test the component that can cause that as well. Stay with us and we'll cover all that today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So many of you guys actually ask us in the comment section below to actually share information about the computer and diagnostics that we use for our vehicles and here at the garage. So we decided to share that with you. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get that computer that we use daily here guys. It's amazing too, that can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on almost any car, even Lamborghini guys. Amazing too, and Kia is right here as you can see. So what guys causes any of these codes? First, let's go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. Once we remove that upper engine cover, you just grab and pull straight up. It has 4 bushings, okay, that attach to it for some reason. Okay, if the cover cannot be installed later, we have a special video that explains how to remove, okay, upper engine cover, and you can find out what can cause that as well. Now, looking at the engine guys, this is the intake side. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold. This is the intake manifold. That means that this intake, okay, that camshaft is the intake camshaft. This is the exhaust camshaft. Camshaft. You have the direct fuel injection pump on it as well. If you guys have problem, okay, with any of these codes, what to look for? Come on the back side of the engine, right here on the back right side, there is a wiring harness. That right here guys, that's where you have actually guys, okay, one sensor known as exhaust camshaft position sensor. So let me come to this side here now guys. We have a special video that clearly explains how to remove and replace it. You have to remove a bracket, but things to look for guys, make sure the wiring harness is not broken or melted by the exhaust. That could happen and you can get these codes. Number 2, inspect guys that the valve cover didn't leak here, or you didn't get the connector wet if you recently washed your engine, anything like that. The wires are not pulled out. We've seen that happen as well, because if the wires are not connecting correctly, you can get this code. Now we have everything pre-loosened and this is the sensor. This is the camshaft sensor guys. What do we recommend? Okay, let's remove it now and I want to show you. Okay, inspect the plug-in, inspect everything to make sure that everything's dry, clean and not corroded. The sensor itself, if it has too much contamination guys, that can cause it sometimes not to read correctly. So clean it. And if you want to see how to test it guys, okay, we have a special video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. Check it out, and it's going to teach you how to do that. Because if you guys, okay, if you, let's say, replacing it still not working, most likely you have bad wiring harness somewhere. But that sensor guys, okay, most likely is what's causing any of these codes from 365 to 369. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.